Okay, sir, about online gambling, kinukonsider niyo ito as bigger social crisis than Pogo. Pero pag-regulate po at hindi total ban ang isinusulong ninyo?
Well, actually, I'm medyo alarming. Kasi nga kanina papunta lang po ako, I was traversing EDSA. Parang 6 or 7 out of 10 billboards sa EDSA parang about online gaming, and we know for a fact that yung pong social consequences nito will be very very enormous, na kasi nga yung ordinaryong mga tao, sila na po yung very easily accessible to everyone, lalo na sa ordinaryong mamamayan na yun na nga lang po yung kinikita hand to mouth, tapos malaking portion pa itataya. Tapos for the youth, doon ako na babahala din. So if we did not regulate, naisip ko regulation muna, because yung po mga e-wallet apps, halimbawa GCash, parang nagiging enabler po sila kasi ang dali tumaya sa mga online gaming apps through GCash and other applications, similar e-wallet applications. So, kung mare-regulate natin yon at it will be restricted, siguro malaking maibabawas sa mga tataya. But I'm open kung talagang just like Pogo, na kung talagang sabi ko nga, ito mas malala kasi Pilipino ang tumataya dito, ordinaryong mamamayan, unlike Pogo na at least yung pera nanggagaling sa ibang bansa. But if the consequences are already very heavy, then we can consider also total ban on online gaming.
So considering nga, sir, na marami na daw nagiging addict sa online gambling kasi mabilis yung access kahit ordinaryong mamamayan, kabataan. So sa tingin niyo makukuha pa ito sa pag-regulate o talagang total ban na yung sagot dito? Well,
siguro sabi ko nga, tignan muna natin. Kaya sa akin regulation, yung mga GCash and other e-wallet applications should not allow their applications to be the conduits to online gaming or online gambling operations. Baka makabawas, pero kung talagang hindi pa rin, then we have to resort to total ban, probably on online gaming later on, kung talagang hindi kakayanin. So, it depends. So, pag we will have a hearing, probably, kasi marami na yatang mga senador din ang nag-file, just like myself, file a measure on regulating or total ban of online gaming. So, we will titingnan natin kung mag-consolidate kung ano po ang titimbangin na rin na based on the outcome of the committee hearings that will be held probably when we resume session.